Why can't the jury not hear what the lawyers are talking with the judge about when the lawyers approach and go to the bench? Want to know the answer to that question? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today about a question that was asked of me a couple of days ago when I was in court. See, I was sitting in court observing a jury trial, and a person that was also watching the trial asked me, was I a lawyer? And if so, did I know why the jury could not hear what the lawyers were talking about, or what are the lawyers talking about that's so important that the jury can't hear? Well, to be able to understand this question, or the answer to this question, what I'm going to do is I'm going to back up and I'm going to help you understand the role of the jury in a jury trial. The main role of a jury in a jury trial is to listen to the facts of the case. That's what the main role of the jury is. Now, I just did a video that talked about a jury trial versus a bench trial, and I touched on some of this in that video, and I'm going to repeat this again. But like I said, the main role of the jury is to determine the facts of the case. The role of the judge in a jury trial is to decide the issues of law. So in a trial, sometimes you can have disputes, legal disputes that come up during the trial. So for example, you may have a witness testifying as to something and the other side raises an objection. They raise a legal objection as to, let's say, this line of questioning. Maybe the line of questioning is irrelevant, or maybe there's some other issues that are present in this particular line of questioning. And the lawyers want the judge to hammer this out and to make a decision. When you see the lawyers go up and talk to the judge, they're talking to the judge in many instances about legal issues. And remember what I said, the legal issues have to be decided by the judge. So sometimes the judge will have the attorneys to come up because the judge does not want, or the lawyers, they don't want what they're talking about to confuse the jury, because they're talking about technical legal issues that the jury really doesn't have anything to do with. So that's why when you see these lawyers going up and they're talking to the judge, a lot of times this is what they're talking about. They're talking about technical legal issues that are outside the realm of the jury in a jury trial. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this very important information? Well, because I'm trying to help you get insight into this process. You may be watching this video right now because you are the victim of medical malpractice. You think you're the victim of medical malpractice, and now you're wondering, what will the process be like? If you file a medical malpractice case and you elect to have a jury trial, what is this process going to be like? Well, if you have more questions and concerns like that, this is what I invite you to do. Go ahead and pick up that phone and give me a call. It costs you absolutely nothing to take that action. You can reach me at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice questions like yours all the time, and guys, I'll be glad to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC. And we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.